Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility and preparing assets, a compliant website with Adsense code and a focused Facebook page. Once done, connect your site to Adsense and add basic ad units. Next, map one niche audience and plan 3 content types to test: short articles, link posts, and video snippets that point to your site. Make sure to set tracking. Enable Google Analytics and UTM tags so you can measure which Facebook posts drive the most traffic and revenue. You now execute content and traffic campaigns. Create a 7-post funnel on Facebook that teases value, then links back to monetized pages. Schedule posts over 10-14 days. Once organic reach is proven, run small Facebook ad tests, interest, lookalike, and 1% audiences with $5 to $10 per day to find winners. Make sure landing pages load fast, are mobile-friendly, and contain clear ad slots and a call to action. This improves session length and AdSense RPM when users arrive. You finish by scaling and optimizing. Raise budgets gradually for top-performing posts and duplicate successful creative into new ad sets. Simultaneously monitor RPM, CTR, session duration, and bounce rate. Run a/B tests on ad placement and headlines to lift earnings. If revenue stalls, troubleshoot common issues, confirm no policy violations, check for ad blockers or bots, and filter low-quality traffic sources. Finally, reinvest a portion of profit into content and testing so you maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.